partner? Okay.
Okay, dalawa ko.
Everybody, we'll do basic strikes, pero come on yung impact, control your sabers. Ingat sa kapwa. Alright. Let's start with letter A. Letter A is hips, head. The attack is hips, head. Okay? So, for attack muna, everybody will try to do hip strike to the right, another hip strike to the left, and then swing it head. So, first, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, for block, of course, for blocking, practically the same do sa hips. Left attack, left din yung block. Ganun din yung right ng attack, right din yung block. Pero, ang block is taas. Nang bumababa ka pa. Slightly bent lang yun. So, 1, 2, 3. That's the attack. Ang block din is 1, 2, 3. Usually, ang impact is either gitna or dito lang. Doon sa block.
Iisip ko.
Guys, doon sa mga nagla-block, there's also a good parang effect, yung parang sumaside ka.
To avoid the strike.
To avoid the strike. Konting parang arte na talaga maganda. May player ang preferably not ang avoidance hindi pa atras. Maside lang. Maside ka lang.
May technique na yun eh. Sige, na yan eh. Slow mo lang. Patay ka rin. Patay lang. Okay, ako naman defend. Sige. Slow lang. Slow lang.
One tip, basta yung striking point nyo is this kung ano yung knuckle nyo dito, ito ang talagang parang ang direction to the attacker. Therefore may control. Tapos, holding yung other hand nyo, parang nakaganyan lang kayo. Para may dagdag lever and control, wala yung moving back.
So, kasi, for example, kung hindi nag-practice ng malapit, tapos nakita mo, mali yung, huwag mong habulin. Kasi baka, no worry, I can do this. Right? So, practicing mo na. Huwag mong habulin kasi, masaktan kayo. Carry on.
Ano yung institute?
It can be also great for you.
Mas maganda, kamaan talaga yung same sa bago. Kasi from there, pag you break mo ulit ako. Kasi dapat diretso lang. Dapat diretso, may flurry. Wala dapat A.
So,
Dapat
letter A is good. Letter B.
Oh, B na, B.
Letter B.
one.
Letter B is shoulder, shoulder, groin. Pero instead of stopping, tuloy yung gano'n. Yan ito just
Meaning yung blocker.
yung block,
What is
para
the blocker?
magdudulas kayo.
Oh, you both, right?
They both accelerate each other, the blades through.
Okay.
So there's may maganda effect. There's a good effect on that.
Shoulder.
So
Shoulder.
block, block, shoulder, shoulder. Tapos pag nagka-skisa na yung blade, suus nyo lang.
Okay.
Can you
There's a
demonstrate?
point where at a certain point the blades, so if we're coming down here and we'll go striking up, we'll both strike up. Sorry about the hand. But it'll just be here, there, and then we're just accelerating both out. So it's like you have that force. Now you're changing it with something that goes pretty fast.
So it's just a continuation of the last strike. So
Yeah, because these are going to hit, and we're both going to go through.
You know, so
We're both going to block and stop.
pero dapat ingatan mo dito kasi like
So the blow is coming in there.
hindi, downward strike.
Accelerating. So they can be accelerating at the same time.
Uy! Parang nakita lang tayo dito sa
Knew it. I knew it.
what? You broke it? That's alright.
Ulit bago. All you need is box.
Kasi pag magtama ng solid, wala na. Sira. So dapat diretso lang. Parang gilos. Paano nakakatakot? Pero hindi ko sisira. Parang nga eh, pero parang mararamdaman mo siya. Yung problem nun sa warranty, yung shipping mas mas
Lagyan nyo ng contact clear na
Kayo na lang dalawa mag-partner.
Yeah.
Bakal ba yan?
Yes.
Palitan mo, nagkakalit.
Got already.